Robert Pickton, also known as the pig farmer killer or the butcher, was a Canadian serial killer and possible cannibal suspected to be one of the most prolific in the country's history. Pickton murdered and dismembered numerous women in the 1990s and early 2000s, with some estimates reaching as high as 49 victims. Primarily targeted women from Vancouver's downtown east side, a known area of poverty and drug use. He lured victims to his pig farm, then murdered and dismembered them. There are also suspicions that he may have fed some remains to his pigs. Despite the high number of suspected victims, evidence was only conclusive for 6 murders. Pickton was convicted of these 6 counts of second-degree murder in 2007 and sentenced to life in prison.